Good morning, children. Welcome to Class 5 Social Studies. Previous class we have discussed chapter 3 Time to Travel the Roadways. I hope all of you understood this portion. We have learned about the national highways and international highways. National highways that connect the cities from one city to another city, and international railways roads are the roads that connect from one country to another country. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this portion well. So today we are going to learn about the railways, land transport railways. Second one is the railways. So we all know that railways are the most important means of transport in India. Trains are the most important means, and it is the popular means of transport because it is cheaper, faster, and a comfortable means of transport. Cheaper, it is less expensive, and faster, and at the same time it is comfortable also. Okay, so two types of trains are there. Goods train and passenger trains are there. Carrying heavy goods through trains is easier and cheaper than any other means of transport. Then the first train in India ran between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. That means when the Britishers ruling time, 1853, that time they introduced the first railway system in our country. So the first train in India ran between Maharashtra's two cities, that is Mumbai to Thane, 1853. Okay, so it was not very fast that time, but today Indian Railways are proud to have a series of super fast trains like Shatabdi and Rajdhani Express going to various destinations in India. That means nowadays, today we have super fast trains like the Shatabdi and Rajdhani Express. They run at 100 to 100 km per hour. Their speed is 100 to 160 km per hour. So understand. So which is the first rail route in our country India? Mumbai to Thane. In which year? 1853. Okay. Then the fastest trains in our country are the Shatabdi Express and the Rajdhani Express. Then today India has one of the largest networks of railways in the world. The railways network in Europe and North America is quite advanced. That is, Europe's and North America's railways are quite modern. The trains in European and North American countries are much faster than Indian trains. European and North American countries' trains are much faster than Indian trains because its speed is 400 km per hour. We know that our super fast trains like Shatabdi and Rajdhani, their speed is 100 to 160 km per hour. But in Japan and France, generally the speed of the trains is 400 km per hour. Okay, so they are more faster than Indian trains. Okay, then the Channel Tunnel connects France with United Kingdom. So another rail route, the Channel Tunnel that connects the France with United Kingdom. Which two countries? France with UK, United Kingdom. It is for 40 meters under the seabed of English Channel. It has 40 meter under the seabed of English Channel. In USA and Canada, there are many trains connecting the cities on Atlantic coast with cities on Pacific coast. So USA and Canada, so many trains are there. They connect the cities on Atlantic coast with cities on Pacific coast. We know that the Atlantic coast, Atlantic Ocean, coast means the land near the sea. So from the Atlantic coast in the east to Pacific coast in the west, railway routes are there in Canada and USA. So many trains connecting the cities of Atlantic coast with cities on Pacific coast. Such trains are called transcontinental railways. So what is the name of such trains? Transcontinental railways. So what is the meaning of this transcontinental railways? A project of transcontinental railways are a project of two railroad companies. Okay, two railroad companies. That is one is Union, from the part of the Union company. Another is from East Coast. So the East Coast, from the Atlantic coast, they have a project, and the Central Union, they have a project from the Pacific coast, that is from west. Okay, so such type of railroads or trains are called transcontinental railways. That means they connect Atlantic coast to Pacific coast, Atlantic coast in the east to Pacific coast in the west. Okay, then these are the pictures of different trains. Shatabdi, Rajdhani Express, and another trains. Okay, Indian Railways. Then the train Siberian line is the world's longest railway line. So underline this point, which is the world's longest railway line. The train Siberian line. Siberian line is the world's longest railway line. It starts from St. Petersburg, that is European Russia. It starts from St. Petersburg and ends at Vladivostok, that is Asian Russia. So Asia and Europe, you know that both are connected, no? Both continents are. Both are called Eurasia. So Russia's European part, that is St. Petersburg. Which railway line? Siberian line. That is the world's longest railway line. It starts from Russia's European side, that means European side of Russia, to Asian side of Russia. Okay, that means clearly from St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. St. Petersburg in Europe and Vladivostok in Asia. Then it covers a distance of 11,000 km in a week. In a week, then how much distance it covers? 11,000 km in a week. So that is the world's longest railway line, the Siberian line. So which is the world's longest railway line? Siberian line. And from where to where it extends? From St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. That means clearly from European Russia to Asian Russia. Okay, it covers how much distance? A distance of 11,000 km in a week. Then the Grand Oriental Express runs between Paris and Istanbul. Paris from France to Istanbul from Turkey. Okay, the Grand Oriental Express, another another train, the Grand Oriental Express, that runs from Paris to Istanbul, that means from France to Turkey, two countries, international route, from Paris, between Paris and Istanbul, and Paris is in France and Istanbul in Turkey. Then the TGV of France is also one of the fastest trains in the world. So another trains, the TGV of France, that is also fastest trains in the world, one of the fastest trains in the world. Okay, so we have learned the fastest trains. The Siberian line is the world's longest railway line. Then the fastest trains are the Grand Oriental Express, then TGV of France. These are the fastest trains in the world. Okay. Then next is the metro. Metro, all of you have seen metro, no? You have traveled through metro. It is, what is speciality of it? It is the fastest trains. Okay. So underground railway system. An underground railway system is called metro. What is metro? underground railway system. Most of the world's advanced countries have a metro system for local transportation. So world's advanced modern countries, advanced that means developed countries, have metro system for local transportation. That is from one area to another area, one city to another city. So this local transportation, most of the advanced or developed countries have metro system. In our country also we have metro system. In India, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Bengaluru have a metro system. Okay. Now in Kerala also has the metro system. So mainly in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Bengaluru have a metro system. Understand? So what is metro? Underground railway system is called metro. Okay. So all of you understood. Once again I will explain. The railways are the most important means of transport in India. It is very cheaper, faster and comfortable means. And the first rail route started by the Britishers in the year 1853. In India, it ran from Mumbai to Thane. Then our country's superfast trains are the Shatabdi Express and the Rajdhani Express. Its speed is 100 to 160 km per hour. Then America, developed countries like Europe and America, they have much faster trains than Indian trains. Then the Channel Tunnel connects France with United Kingdom. They are called the USA and Canada. There are many trains connecting the cities of Atlantic coast and Pacific coast. They are called the transcontinental railways. Then the Siberian line is the world's longest railway line, and it starts from St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. Then the Grand Oriental Express runs between Paris and Istanbul. The TGV of France is also one of the fastest trains in the world. Okay. Then metro trains. So read all these portions. Next online class I will ask questions of this. Okay. Bye.